Hello, this is my first video ever made for YouTube. I have a 330 Ci convertible right, car, and I have a problem with this door, this retractable door right here. It broke right where the spring attaches to, right in that position. Okay, so I had to I couldn't find a video explaining how to remove this panel. Okay, so I had to do it myself. And let me tell you how it comes out. First thing you got to do is remove the lower seat. Okay, remove the lower seat, remove the back rest. There's plenty of videos on that. You got to pop open the convertible top, the back section. I use a sledgehammer there, or a hammer, or a piece of wood to hold it open. If not, it will drop. Here's my back parts right there. So, in order to remove this side panel right here, panel goes here, like that. Sorry. Okay, you have to remove the two screws from here, from the bottom of the armrest, and there's a plunger that attaches to this point right here. Okay, so you have to pry with a pry bar, pop it open. There's videos on that too, and then slide the panel this way and down, because the bracket right here, here, and on the back side, those two clips, it comes right out. There's some videos on that. I don't have a video on that. Anyway, once you remove that, there are three screws you have to remove. That one, there's one right here, and there's another one right here. Remove these three screws. Okay, now this rubber seal right in front, right here, remove that little, it's a little pop rivet, comes right out. You pry it open, take it out. The seal opens up this way. Now you pull up from the back this way and this way, and this whole thing comes right up. Okay, once you get that out, you have, this is the left side piece right here. Okay, I went ahead and manufactured a piece of metal where that little bracket right there in the middle, you see where the metal part is. I went ahead and cut a piece of metal. I went ahead and drill a hole right through the metal. I glue that with some Gorilla Glue. Let it stay overnight. Okay. That hole right there was cracked open. On the one I have here already installed, it was broken even further. You see the spring right there? If you follow the spring, let me turn it sideways. You see where it attaches right there to the back side. Right there. It's a little light right there. That one's even broken further. Okay. So now, in order to reinstall this again, once you finish fixing it, start installing the front end first. Okay, install the front end first. Make sure all your clips, these clips right here and here, there's a clip missing here in the front, right here where my thumb is. This is the left side. See that clip right there? That one here, that one there, and there, okay? So once you going to install this again, start at the front end. Start at the front end and make sure these clips go down into there, okay? And then you could install the spring right here. That spring will attach to the door, okay, at the bottom. And it will attach right here to the side, okay, right there. And that's all it is to it. Reinstall everything back. It's not necessary to pull the bottom panel, this one here. It's not necessary to pull that one out. You can leave that one alone. Don't forget to hook up your speaker wire to the middle panel here. Speaker wire right there. I hope this video was helpful to you. I couldn't find a video on how to remove that upper section and how to repair that retractable door. I hope it was helpful. And if you like this video, it's my first video. Sorry about the quality, but hit the like button. Thank you.